Here we are in Yellowstone on my way to the Lamar Valley, which is famous for its herds of buffalo. We haven't even gotten there yet, and we've already run across this. Got a calf feeding from its mother right there. One guy rolling around in the sand. Hopefully they don't start chasing me. That's the mother and his calf. Stop. We got a good tip on a dead buffalo a couple miles down the road, and they've been witnessing wolves feeding on it for the last few days, so I'm going to try to find that. Hopefully see some wolves. Alright, if you like these videos, please subscribe and share and like. Peace out.